Hey guys, usually when I receive things from companies, it comes falling from the sky, but I'm afraid this one is too heavy. Let's bring in something cool. DYU heard about my ambitions on going mobile and they said, let's have some fun together. We ship you something, give it a spin. Now this is the C3, which is a very compact foldable bike with 14-inch wheels and a super powerful electric motor. Yes, you heard this correctly, it's an electric foldable small bike. It fits in the back of your car, you can take it on the train, and it does well in almost every terrain. Don't take it on extreme mountain biking, but you get what I mean. Now, after an afternoon of having fun and riding almost 30 kilometers on one charge, it was time to put it to work. I took my luggage on the rear shelf, went down with the elevator because this bike is coming with me on the train. And you know what the fun thing is? At least in the Netherlands, folding bikes are free to take on the train. So while doing some work, I could stare at it. And it looked so good on the platform. People even stopped me to ask questions. And I think everybody with a regular folding bike is even jealous about my electric motor. Now, on to my destination. And after that, I went back to the station. Of course, I did some boring work in between, but I'm not gonna bother you with that. Now, as you can see, the LED indicator shows you how much battery charge still is left. Back on the train and enjoy some more footage about me riding the bike. And further on in this video, there's an unboxing and I'm gonna tell you all the details about this thing because it's, well, just super cool. Stay tuned. Now, you guys already saw what's inside of the box and you saw how we took it for a spin. But what's a proper video without an unbox, right? Let's do that. Now, while you see me take this thing out of the box, I'll talk you through some of the details. It's the C3 14-inch folding e-bike model. It's electric. It can take you up to 34 kilometers. And another cool thing, don't tell anybody, but you don't need to pedal. If you want, you can use it as a scooter. And it can take you up to 25 kilometers. The motor is 250 watts, which is plenty of power to take you through town, the countryside, and even up hills. It has safety features which include front and rear disc brakes. Here you can see them. They're super cool and almost as big as the 14-inch wheels, so plenty of stopping power. It has a front and rear light, and the rear light starts flashing as soon as you brake, so everybody knows you're the one stopping. Its folding design makes it easy to store, take it on the train, put it in the back of your car, and it's super compact in your garage, or if you live in a house like us with a garage full of kid stuff and, well, just stuff. It fits. There is a 2-year warranty on the frame and a 1-year warranty on the battery and motor. Now, did you see all the key features? Or, nah, you know, I'll just sum them up. A 250 watt brushless motor. It's quick and easy to fold as it's a mini urban bike, which can take you through almost every terrain. Except, like I mentioned before, the extreme mountain biking. It's equipped with a very bright headlight, which you can see in a minute. The saddle is height adjustable. There's a rear shelf which can take up to 25 kilograms, plenty of stuff to take to work. It has a front and rear disc brake, a LED power display which shows you how much battery life is left, and it has a switch to prevent accidental starts, because what I didn't mention yet is there's a throttle which you can turn, and that way it just goes forward like a scooter or a motorcycle, and it's so much fun. go. So, as you could see, a super light, fun and versatile bike. Thank you DYU for giving me the opportunity to test it out, and more videos with this fun thing to come.